Nobody really told me how to care for my hair, care for myself. I have my own beauty rituals when I'm living with a chronic illness. Um, I have a rare autoimmune illness, but so many of you have shared that you're living with inflammation, um, other illnesses, going through perimenopause. And so I thought I would share a curly routine that has worked well for me for the past, 7, almost 8 years of living with a rare autoimmune illness. I, as you can see, have curly hair, and I'm going to demonstrate my go to routine for maintaining my wash and go, even as I'm in the middle of a flare. I have been using these pattern products for probably about 2 or 3 months now, and I love them. They have great slip and they're perfect for um, minimal effort sort of styling. The slip in the product helps you to um, detangle hair really easily, even if you're not washing it, just through the styling process. So here I'm doing what I call a dry wash and go. I'm using like minimal water on my hair. I'm using a very fine mister and I'm pulling my hair and um, pre- prepping it to add a little bit of the pattern leave-in conditioner, which as I mentioned, I really love. This particular product has so much slip. It absorbs into the hair really easily. So what I like to do with my leave-in conditioner is rub it into the hair, making sure that I get the top, middle, and, bottom layers of the hair. And I like to do a nice detangling as well because when I'm hospitalized or when I'm just bedridden, right now, you can't tell, but I'm in the middle of a flare up of my symptoms. And so I don't wanna spend a lot of time on my hair. I wanna detangle so my hair doesn't get matted, and this product makes it super easy for me to do that. Not all leave-in conditioners have that benefit, but this one really does. This is how much hair I was able to detangle, and that
Central
came
rodent
out,
pulling each other.
after I
Millions will
detangled,
settle in their
so,
challenges,
you're
seeing
not
results
damaging
mathematical
your
case
hair
wins the race.
this way.
We can
You're
start with your weight.
detangling without having to go through all of the
Yes, most
energy
because
and the
it's
wherewithal
so
of
bad. It's
going through a
governor of
full
the most
wash
populous state
routine
and the
to
host
do
of
your
one of the most
wash and go.
popular
So,
podcasts for
this
feuding.
refreshing
This is Gavin Newsom.
process
California Governor
is
Gavin Newsom.
really, really helpful and helps you to conserve a lot of energy. So, I'm repeating this process on my second section. And while I do this, I do like to look at it as like a self-care moment, you know, um, where I'm massaging my scalp, I'm trying to relax, and I'm just enjoying the process. I'm pulling my hair up also as I detangle to give it a little lift because I don't want it to be flat. If you apply the product and you only go in a downward motion, your hair will be a bit um, flatter. If you go through this process and you pull your hair, out straight to the side or up toward the ceiling, you'll help to add a bit more volume to your hair as it dries. The thing I like about the pattern leave-in conditioner is even though I have fine hair and even though it is low density, it doesn't weigh my hair down. I've tried this process using just the leave-in conditioner and using the leave-in conditioner and the curl cream. And yeah, it works really, really well alone and when it is um, put together with, the curl cream as well. So I was just taking care to make sure that I get the nape of my neck, aka the kitchen, as well. So now I'm going to add a little bit of the pattern curl cream to my hair. And as you could see, I just used a little bit, and look, I'm going to put about a third of that back because you only need a little bit of this, especially if you have fine hair. So I'm going to take half of what I have remaining, put it on the back of my hand, and apply the product to one side of my hair, just kind of scrunching it in. And the reason I'm using the curl cream is because the weather is really cold here, and it helped to just to seal in moisture, add a little bit more texture to the hair. And again, I like to have it to kind of seal the ends. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side of my head. See how much that product spreads on my hands? So it's a lot. Once you like rub your hands together, it emulsifies really nicely, and you get and it expands. So you only need a little bit of product if you have fine hair or if you have low to medium density hair. I like to scrunch it in to the ends of the hair, especially in the back, because that is the hair that kind of rubs against your collars and your warmer weather attire, and it helps to keep your hair from getting damaged. So this is what the hair looks like after I've applied everything. It is so soft. It smells really good, and I'm just going to let it air dry. So I hope you found this video helpful. Talk to you guys later. Bye.